that the gods will play to part the clouds. Live rounds on the guards and strip man down. These vibes for the night while the high is right. Take flight, lean sideways. We master the sky. Groovy, Bobby Bird, James Brown and Bootsy. College feel. Feel it in the air, that real. Feel it in the field, feel it in the air, that's real. Feel it in the field, feel it in these frills. You got the chill. Like they're bringing anything to the table. Bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited dissonance and missing classic shit. I know that you're feeling it. Blunt rolls and a black pouch. Roaming back streets around south. All my boys, we hit that loud. Feel the vibe when they blast out. Now let me show you Zach and Lee what we all about. Let me get I'm on the sound, all these season. Back around, no more summer bounce. Let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when I'm throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, all these season. Back around, no more summer bounce. Let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when I'm throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, all these season. Back around, no more summer bounce. Let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when I'm throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, all this season. Back around, no more summer bounce. Let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out.
Hey, and welcome to this week's video. 3 videos in a row. That is definitely a record for me. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm gonna make you sit through with me on chores today. I have one more chore to do. You're gonna sit through that with me. I'm making a sink cabinet. Sink cabinet. This one. This is what I'm making a cabinet. It is a laundry sink, right? Outside my photography and graphics design work, I also do some carpentry at an enthusiast level. So let's make a cabinet. One, two, three. I think this one is done for now. There are some few modifications I need to make it perfect, but other than that, basically ready. Plumbing needs to be done. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that today. Maybe next time I'll be doing the plumbing. For now, I'm gonna put this where it's supposed to be and then finish this conversation we started not too long ago. A little change in location. Got out of the house because I've been indoors all day. It's very important to cultivate patience in my learning process and in just life in general. Being patient is invaluable, and it's one of those skills we easily say, oh, I'm not a patient person, and we get really frustrated when we get into situations that demand patience. I've not always been patient, but I realized a long time ago that cultivating patience would be necessary if I was to avoid making decisions that are fueled by impatience, and I make a lot of those, or used to. I guess the next question we would want to answer is, how do you cultivate patience? Patience is like a muscle. You have to practice it over and over again. And funny enough, doing chores that you hate is such a brilliant way of cultivating patience. That's why you saw me start off with cleaning the floor. We had painted the house. I needed to clean the floor. I procrastinated that for a while, but for this video that felt like a good place to start. Meticulously doing chores such as cleaning dishes, cleaning the house, peeling potatoes, simple tasks that require you to be patient over time. Trying to find a good way to end the video because I realized my script wasn't finished. I think a note that I've taken this week is make sure the script is a little more detailed, but I'll leave you with this. Patience is very important. Whether you're young, old, patience is very important. And it's such a fun skill to master because it makes a lot of the things we go through life a lot easier. Patience is invaluable. Learn it. And as we embark on me teaching you stuff, I want you to start practicing being patient. Maybe I'll do another video in future on specific ways to building patience, and at least ways that I've used to build patience, and maybe you could borrow them. And I think with that, I'm losing light. Shooting the last minute of the day, apparently not the best idea, but I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep delivering videos on Friday. I hope this video has taught you something. Be patient. Be patient with me. Because we're on this journey together, and I really look forward to making another video next week on Friday. And with that, Stanley and Jay here, out.